students. I hope you will be fine and safe and happy. Okay. In the previous lecture, we have completed page number 42 and part 1. Part 1 of the fall of Troy, the defeat of Troy, the fall of Troy. Part 1 has been completed in the previous lecture with activities on page number 42. Okay, now see on page number 42, there are not much important activities, but just I will explain you in 2 minutes and then we will move to part 2, the fall of Troy, part 2. But before that, see on page number 43, 43 activity number 5, state the counter action of the following action. Counter action, opposite action, reaction of the actions. Okay, first one, Helen eloped with Paris. This is the action, main action. Now what is the counter action? Greek people attacked on Troy people, Trojan people, or Greek people laid siege on Troy. Greek people laid siege around the Troy city to take the revenge. बदला लेने के लिए उन्होंने उन पर हमला कर दिया. This is the counter action. B. The Greeks sailed to Troy and attacked it. The Greeks sailed to Troy and attacked it. This is the actually counter action, but you have to write the counter action of this counter action. Trojan also fought with Greek people bravely. Greek people attacked on Trojan people, and Trojan people also gave them reply, gave them answer. They fought. Trojan people fought bravely. This is the counter action of B. C. Hector was killed by Achilles. Hector was killed by Achilles. Counter action. Achilles was also killed by poisonous arrow. ये भी मर गया, वो भी मर गया. Okay? So counter action ये है. Achilles was killed by poisonous arrow. D. The siege continued for 10 long years. The siege means the war continued for 10 long years. Trojan and Greek people also continued to fight with each other, one another. Okay, they also continued to fight, but they were tired. They were tired of battles. They were tired of 10 long years siege. This is the counter action you can say. Okay, so activity 5 is completed. Now activity 6, आपको cause लिखना, मतलब इस war का, इस battle का cause, enemy armies, मतलब Greek army, Trojan army, heroes कौन थे, duration कितना था 10 years का, final outcome वगैरह क्या हुआ, वो part 2 के बाद ही हम देखेंगे. So activity 6 बताया आपको. Activity 7, complete the following sentences with the reference of the passage. You have to take the reference of the passage and complete the lines. A. Epics are long poems that, so you can see the reference in page number 40. First line, epics are long poems that relate the deeds of a great national hero or a great national war. Okay, simple answers है. जैसे कि B, they may be composed and sung or recited for many years before. They may be composed before they are actually written down. Before they are actually written down. So बहुत ही simple answers है इसके, जो आप easily find out कर सकते हो. So in this way, students, we have completed all activities on page number 43. In activity 7, rest of the sentences you can do at home. उतना तो करो घर में. So we have completed all activities on page number 43 and see on page number 44 जहां हमारा part 2 शुरू होता है. Part 2, the fall of Troy, part 2, page number 44, first paragraph. At last Troy was taken. At last Troy was taken means at last Troy was defeated. Troy was won, not by force, not by the force of the Greek people, but by a trick. Troy was taken, Troy was defeated by a trick. It was the cunning Odysseus who thought of a plan to obtain the victory. Okay, it was the cunning Odysseus. Okay, cunning Odysseus. Cunning. Cunning means what? Cunning means who is very wicked person. That is cunning. So wicked or cunning Odysseus made a plan, wicked plan to obtain the victory over the Troy. ट्रॉय में विक्ट्री पाने के लिए ओडिसियस ने एक विकेड प्लान बनाया. ओके, सेकंड पैराग्राफ. लेट अस बिल्ड अ ग्रेट वुडन हॉर्स, ही सेड. ओडिसियस सेड वी शुड बिल्ड अ ग्रेट बिग वुडन हॉर्स, big enough to hold men inside it. The horse should be as big as to hold men inside it, to enter people inside the horse. That much of big horse we should make, and let some of our best fighters hide in the horse. We should hide our best fighters, our best soldiers in the horse. Then let us burn our tents and pretend to sail away in our ships. After making horse and after hiding our best soldiers, best fighters in the horse, we should burn. Okay, we have to burn our tents to show that we have run away. We have run away in our ships. For that reason, we have to burn our tents and we have to hide in the horse, and some people have to hide in the far away distance. Okay, मतलब ये कनिंग प्लान जो था, ये वीकेड प्लान ओडिसियस ने बताया. But instead of sailing away, we will return in the night. We will not run away. Instead of sailing away means instead of running away, we will return in the night. We will not attack in the day. We will attack in the night. When the Trojans are asleep, we will attack the city and burn and kill. देखो ओडिसियस का wicked plan, cunning plan ये था कि जब Trojans asleep में होंगे, when the Trojans are sleeping peacefully in the night, we will attack on Trojans. हम Trojans के ऊपर attack करेंगे and we will kill them and we will burn the city. This was the wicked plan made by cunning Odysseus. Third paragraph. The Greek leaders decided to follow the advice of the wise Odysseus. Okay, the Greek leaders, because they were tired, so they decided to follow this advice of wise Odysseus. So a great horse of wood was made by a skillful engineer. तो जैसे उसने ऑर्डर दिया तो स्किलफुल एक्सपर्ट इंजीनियर्स ने, आर्किटेक्चर ने एक बहुत ही बड़ा वुड हॉर्स बनाया. And the greatest heroes, Menelaus, Odysseus himself and other great fighters entered in that horse. They all entered in the horse. The last man to go in being the architect himself, who knew the secret of opening and shutting the entrance. The last man who went inside the horse. Who was that man? That man was an architect. That man was an engineer who knew the secret of opening and closing of the door of the horse. अगर वो नहीं होगा तो हॉर्स को कहां से ओपन करना है, कहां से क्लोज करना है, nobody will know. So the last man means engineer went inside the horse because he knew the secret of opening and shutting the entrance of the big wooden horse. That evening the Greeks burned their tents and sailed away in their ships, but they did not go very far. That night, as a plan के मुताबिक क्या हो गया? Greeks burned their tents and they sailed away. They sailed away in their ships, but in actual sense they did not sail away. In actual sense they did not go very far. They just pretended. They just show. उन्होंने नाटक किया. So they just pretended that they have gone far away, but in actual sense they had not gone away. So far, very far, long distance. Only one man was left behind to persuade the Trojans to drag the horse into their city. Only one Greek man was left behind. He was left behind purposely. Okay, जानबूझ के उसको वहां छोड़ के गए हो. The last Greek man was left behind purposely to persuade the Trojans. To persuade means to convince the Trojans to drag. किस प्रकार convincing करना था? To drag the big horse into their city. बिग हॉर्स को सिटी में एंट्रेंस दिया जाए, परमिशन दिया जाए, इसका कन्विंसिंग करने के लिए लास्ट मैन जो था ग्रीक का उसे वहां बिठाया गया फॉर पर्पस. ओके, पर्पसफुली. ओके, थर्ड पैराग्राफ कंप्लीटेड. फोर्थ पैराग्राफ. Next day the Trojans woke up expecting to go out and fight as they had done for the past 10 years. Okay, next day come, next morning come, and as well as usual Trojans woke up from the sleep. They woke up from the sleep. They had expected to go out and fight with the Greek people as they had been doing for the past 10 years. What delight and surprise they felt at the sight when they saw on seashore outside the walls. When Trojan people came out for the war, they came out for the fighting with the Greek people. How much they surprised and how much they delighted. They became very much happy. They became surprised. What they felt, they saw at the sight. What they saw that on the seashore, on the beach, there was no one. Okay, they saw on the seashore outside the walls. When they came outside the walls, they had a strong wall around the strong city, around the strong Troy city. अब जब उस वॉल के बाहर आके उन्होंने देखा, देख के वो हैरान हो गए, सरप्राइज्ड हो गए. It seemed that the long siege was over at last, because there was no one on the seashore. There was no Greek army on the seashore. There was no Greek soldiers outside the walls. And when they saw, they felt that the Greek people had run away. They had sailed away from their ships. उनको लगा कि ये लोग भाग गए और देख के बहुत खुश हो गए. It seemed that the long siege, long war was over. उनको लगा कि ये long war खत्म हो गया. The tents had been burnt. There were no tents because the tents had been burnt by Greek people. Okay, as their plan. The shore was deserted. The shore, the seashore, the sea beach was deserted. Was deserted means empty. The shore was empty. Okay, no one was there. No Greek, no single Greek soldier was there. The Greek ships had all gone. Okay, fourth paragraph completed. Next paragraph. It is peace at last, they cried and opened the wide their gates and came out in a large numbers on the plain, glad to be free again to go where they pleased. We got peace at last, we got freedom at last. They cried. All Trojan people cried happily, shouted happily, and opened their wide gates, big gates, large gates of city. जिस गेट्स को उन्होंने वॉर के कारण बंद कर दिया था, उस गेट्स को उन्होंने खोल दिया, क्योंकि उनको लगा कि ये ग्रीक पीपल सब लोग भाग गए. ओके, एंड दे ओपन देयर वाइड गेट्स एंड ऑल ट्रोजन केम आउट इन लार्ज नंबर्स. All people came out of the gate, came out of the city gate, large numbers on plain ground. They were glad, they were happy, because they felt that they became free. They became free again to go wherever they pleased. They felt that they are now free. They can go anywhere. Okay, they can go everywhere they please, they wish. उनको लगा कि हम अब कहीं भी घूम सकते हैं. Then they saw on the sands the huge wooden horse. They saw huge wooden horse. They gathered around it in astonishment. So they saw there was a huge, big wooden horse, and all Trojan people gathered around the horse in astonishment. Okay, astonishment means surprise. For it was indeed a wonderful piece of work. That horse was wonderful piece of work. It was a beautiful piece of wooden work. बहुत ही सुंदर घोड़ा था वो, बहुत ही सुंदर उन्होंने मतलब उस पर कारीगरी की थी. Okay, so paragraph 5th is completed. Okay, now last paragraph. As they were wondering how the horse had been built and why it had been left behind. All the Trojan people were wondering. They were wondering means they were thinking. Okay, they were thinking why the horse had been built and why it had been left behind. Why the horse had been left behind. The Trojan people were thinking about that. तो इसके आगे क्या हुआ हम अगले लेक्चर में देखते हैं. Okay, so we will learn in the next lecture. We are on page number 44. Keep in mind, page number 44, last paragraph. Okay, thank you very much.